Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're exploring the best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver you can get your hands on. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Unlink wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. Let's get started. Product feature. Stunning 4K visuals at 30 Hz offer clarity 4 times sharper than 1080p, ensuring your movies and presentations look incredibly crisp and professional. Experience a massive transmission range of up to 150 meters, giving you the freedom to send high-quality video across expansive halls or large rooms with ease. The powerful high-gain antenna ensures your signal stays stable and strong even when passing through walls, so you never have to worry about losing your connection. Say goodbye to messy setups thanks to the simple plug-and-play design that requires no extra drivers or complicated apps to get everything running smoothly. This system supports multiple transmitting devices at once, allowing you to connect various sources and keep your workspace or home theater organized and efficient. Enjoy seamless switching between different input sources without any signal drops or interference, making transitions during meetings or game nights totally effortless. Designed for versatile environments, it's the perfect companion for professional conference rooms, modern classrooms, or your ultimate home entertainment setup. Pros: this device truly puts the user first by making high-end technology feel effortless. The massive 150-meter range is a game-changer for large homes or offices, ensuring you're never tethered by short cables. We love how the 4K resolution brings every detail to life, and the fact that you don't need to install any annoying software makes it accessible and friendly for everyone to use. Cons: while the 4K resolution is breathtaking, keep in mind it operates at 30 Hz, which is perfect for movies and presentations, but might not satisfy competitive gamers seeking 60 Hz. Also, very thick concrete walls can slightly reduce that maximum 150-meter range, though the antenna still performs admirably. Final thoughts: choosing the right gear is about making your life easier and your connection stronger. This Unlink system gives you that peace of mind, knowing your tech will work exactly when you need it. Whether you're sharing memories with family or leading a big project at work, it's a reliable partner that helps you shine. It's an investment in simplicity and quality that you will truly appreciate. Ready to upgrade your setup and ditch the cables for good? Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Kingo and like this video. See you in the next one.